Welcome to Arena Multimedia. I am your academic head, and today is our orientation class of ADMS Prime, Graphic Designing. Please take out your notepad and pencil. If you have any confusion, please note down. We will discuss end of the presentation. Today we will discuss everything about our first semester, that is graphic designing.
Graphic designing have 6 softwares: Adobe Illustrator, Corel Draw, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Lightroom, Adobe InDesign, Adobe InCopy. In graphic designing we have 4 modules, and I will describe you all 4 step by step. First हम complimentary sketching offer करते हैं students को. Module 1 Adobe Illustrator. इसमें total 20 sessions आपको पढ़ाए जाएंगे. Corel Draw. इसमें total 3 sessions आपको पढ़ाए जाएंगे. Module 2 InDesign. इसमें total 5 sessions आपको पढ़ाए जाएंगे. And InCopy का 1 session आपको पढ़ाया जाएगा. Module 3 Adobe Photoshop. इसमें total 22 sessions आपको पढ़ाए जाएंगे. Module 4 Lightroom. इसमें total 6 sessions आपको पढ़ाए जाएंगे.
After complete first module Illustrator and Corel Draw, we will assign you magazine project. Session 15 of Illustrator will be the last date of selecting the topic. This is called Internal Practical 1, जिसमें आपके टीचर आपको असिस्ट भी करेंगे for project choosing and submission. Submission last day of module 2 completion day. After complete third module, Adobe Photoshop, we will assign you magazine project. Session 15 of Adobe Photoshop will be the last date of selecting the topic. This is called Internal Practical 2, जिसमें आपके टीचर आपको असिस्ट भी करेंगे for project choosing and submission. Submission last day of module 4 completion day.
आपका प्रोजेक्ट बनाना और टाइमली सबमिट करना मैंडेटरी है, कि उनके मार्क्स आपके फाइनल मार्कशीट में काउंट होंगे, और इसके प्रिंटिंग चार्जेस आपको पे करनी होंगी जो कि 500 या 800 होंगे. Now I'm sharing the list of modules to be covered in the examination, along with their weightages. Modular Examination 1, moving from Illustrator to Corel Draw. Marks 10. Duration, 20 minutes. Type, Objective. Modular Examination 2, Magic with Images. Marks 10. Duration, 20 minutes. Type, Objective. Modular Examination 3, Lightroom for Photographers. Marks 10. Duration, 20 minutes. Type, Objective. Modular Examination 4, Publishing for the Media. Marks 10. Duration, 20 minutes. Type, Objective. I hope everyone understand about the 4 modules. Please ask if any query. Now I am sharing details about the mark sheet. This mark sheet is divided in 4 parts. Modular exams, 25% weightage. Final exam, 25% weightage. Practical, 25% weightage. E-project, 25% weightage. The student will be awarded grade on the overall weightage final marks. Grades, greater than 40% but less than 60%. Pass, greater than 60% but less than 75%. Credit, greater than 75%. Distinction. Note, स्टूडेंट्स को ये ग्रेड्स अचीव करने के लिए एटलीस्ट 40% हर डिवीजन में हासिल करना लाजमी है. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अरेना मल्टीमीडिया.